Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Breakout Trading. It is Tuesday, March 17th, and we're going to take a look here at eBay. Now, this is one of the trades we had in the trading room this morning. It's one we sent out pre-market when we did our morning recap of what setups we were watching. And we were watching for this breakout through the trend line. So this is what we could see as of this morning. We said, okay, our setup here is going to be a breakout through the trend line. Looking for it to trigger above like 92.50. So what we really wanted to see was the pivot high here broken. So it ended up popping through that pivot high at 92.50. Our first target was 94 on the pivot high here, and then 95 was our second target. We ended up hitting both those, exceeding both of them. It played out really well, but this is just an example of kind of what we want to see when we're looking for a kind of continuation compression pattern. So the thing I want you to notice is trend is up, so market's higher highs, higher lows overall. And when we pull back, although we didn't put in a new higher high for quite a while, every time we retraced down here, we stayed right in the same area, right above this $90 level. So every time we were getting close to 90, somebody was stepping in. Buyers were stepping in and supporting this and pushing that price right back up. And then when we did drop down to 90 and really broke through 90 just a hair, immediately reversed it right back up, So instead of seeing a long drawn-out reversal where we go lower highs, lower lows, and start trending down, we just saw this as compression against an overall uptrending market. So ended up working out really well. And then we look for our trigger for the breakout to take place on the trend line. And if the trend line is right next to a pivot high, we'll wait for the pivot high to be broken as well. So in this case, we waited for the pivot high here. Worked out really well. We pumped straight up to our 94 target and then held the rest, the runners up for that 95 target, and that played out beautifully. But not a bad day overall. Had breakouts in eBay, in Pfizer, in Rocket Lab, in ASTS, as well as some others, but not a bad day overall. If you want to get these trades live, though, and get into them with us in the trading room, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. As usual, you can get access to it for $7 for 30 days just to come try it out, see what it's like. But I'll see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, thanks for watching and happy trading.